Mayong buntag, Davao Occidental. Thank you very much. I highly appreciated sa nag-organize si Dandy Maturan. Very nice po ang laro, very successful. And then sana may kasunod pa, maganda.
This is the first time in history na mahitabo diri sa Davao Occidental. So daghan gid kayo to mga participants, different teams. So diri gyud nato nakita ang ato ang kadaiyang mga kusgan nga mga atleta.
We keep keeping on. We're the dreamers.
Wala kong magdahom ug ni-support gid sa ako ang activity. Bitis nalipay po ko at sa akong mga grassroots athlete. Ingon ani. Ug dako kong pasalamat kay Governor Franklin Bautista nga itagaan ko niyag authority to facilitate them, and then ni Ma'am Ana Laura Bautista. Na Sir Brett, sa mga gasolina, everything, grabe ang suporta. Daghang salamat. Welcome to First Sigasig Triathlon.
This is the first event for Davao Occidental, which is a very successful event. Even the swim was kind of hard and the terrain was hilly. However, it was a successful event. I would like to congratulate the organizer for this event, and I hope to see you next year.
Reaching higher, always up. Keep climbing until we're on top.
Na-deploy po natin yung mga Coast Guard natin dito sa karagatan ng Malita at laking successful po to para sa bayan ng Davao Occidental kasi first time itong mangyari sa lugar na to ang triathlon at dinadayo to ng maraming mga athletes sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas. Congratulations para sa ating lahat.
Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high.
Ang akong category is sprint 19 under and ang akong nadaugan is sprint overall.